Wena ubaba umsholozi uhlangane kakhulu. Akunento lokusidoyenda ubhacile ingabonakala. Ngasonke isikhathi vele iyabonakala lento lo yendako wena. Wena wenda ngicabanga ngathi ubhacile cha baba. Sizokubamba. Sine vele bethi ma TikTokers indzaba sayilanza silandzele siyithole sibe siya expose. Lapha eWitbank, ngilapha eWitbank khona manje. Ningiveni kahle. Zandile Zungu uyatatla khona. Nawe noma Zia Precious unawe labangani bakho promise prom Donat Masinga mpendulo kumede heze sadudla Mrs Khosana sibukeni nebangani benonke phumani egroupini yemkhonto wesizwe ngoba sesivile indzabeni nine niyaplanisha vele nihamba ni recruiter band labo umkhonto wesizwe nifuna ukumuva nabo niye epolitical party lensha ya Flochi Bambo siyakwathi lokho siyithola indzaba leyo so ngeke udobe efridgini hamba edamini odoba khona hamba uyobamba ifish edamini ngeke ukhaze uzofaka ifish efridge wena sozufuna ukufaka ihook abamba ifish angithi decide ukuphuma nini exit egroupini yomkhonto wesizwe.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to another political talk. Welcome to Newsalogy, a political media channel that talks about politics. I welcome you to please join me as we'll be talking about what is the future of Floyd Nyiko Shivambu. So what's next for Floyd? That is the big question on the table on what is next for Floyd, because I was just scrutinizing his social media account and I found something very interesting. Lately, for the past 3 to 4 days, he hasn't been posting anything related to the MK party, anything, whether it's events or whether it is him seen wearing the MK party t-shirt. He's not posting anything. So what does this mean? Does it mean that now Floyd is no longer with the party? Does it mean Floyd has maybe terminated his partnership, his membership to the MK party? What does it mean? He no longer associates himself with the MK party. Has Floyd moved on? There are rumors which are just circulating around social media saying that Floyd is planning to open a new political party, in which I totally disagree with that. If they planning that to open a new political party, it is a political suicide from the side of Floyd, especially in building his career to advance on the political arena. I don't think it is viable for Floyd, the same person who was saying that they don't need these small fiefdoms of political parties, smaller groups around that are not forming this one big progressive political party or movement.
We are not in the business of destroying political parties. Those who join Umkhonto Wesizwe, whether they were members of the ANC or EFF or DA or ATM or whatever organization, they do so out of their own political consciousness. These are adults who fall into superior alternatives. They realize that here is a proper vehicle that is assembling the best of the best. Let us associate with it instead of existing in small and viable fiefdoms that have got no potential, none whatsoever, to could win electoral power in South Africa. So we're in no business to try to destroy any organization as Umkhonto Wesizwe. What we know though is that we're going to unite the majority of the people of South Africa. We're going to unite more than 2/3 of the voters of South Africa behind the banner of Umkhonto Wesizwe, which is going to take over political power in local government, will take over political power at national level on behalf of the people, so that we can drive through a thoroughgoing transformation agenda to empower our people.
Saying that these small fiefdoms, political parties, are not viable. So I don't see him now opening a small political party. It will be small because it doesn't have the numbers. The truth needs to be told. Floyd, yes, we agree, is a political scientist and we can say all manner of things, but he doesn't have the numbers. He's not a politician that is so popular or that can sway a lot of people to follow him like that. if that was possible, he would have taken the largest chunk in the EFF in terms of recruiting, in terms of mobilization, in terms of moving those people from the EFF to join the MK party. But we never saw that mass exodus from the EFF. Only few people left, especially those prominent leaders of the EFF who had position, who were knowing that they are also friends with Floyd Shivambu. They left. But we never saw any now exodus, massive people following the likes of Floyd. So the same thing that has transpired in the EFF can be the same thing that can transpire in the MK party, because the MK party is clear. The mandate, when you are listening to the membership of the MK party, they do say that no, they follow the ideology in Jacob Zuma. It was not about all these people who are fighting, the Duduzile, the Meripadi, Floyd Shivambu, the Dalimpofu. It was not about all of those people. They voted for Jacob Zuma because they believe on what Jacob Zuma stands for, right? But now looking at now the things on how they are just coming to pass, that is what now made even Jacob Zuma not to be happy of saying that it means these people don't understand the politics of the MK party. If they just want to protest by the decision that has been taken by the high command just because of one person. So, okay, I don't want to argue that one. I want us to talk about now what Floyd has organized. So Floyd posted this on his timeline on the X platform. He's saying that tomorrow, Thursday, 19 June 2025, we have a press conference to speak about political developments in South Africa. Those who have worked with us know that the guiding dictum and principle is guided by Emilcar Cabral, who says, hide nothing from the masses of our people, tell no lies, expose lies whenever they are told, mask no difficulties, mistakes, failures, claim no easy victories. It's our DNA to speak the truth because truth is revolutionary. So Floyd says that you must not claim easy victories and says you must not tell no lies. So he's calling a special media briefing and to address some political landscape, political development in South Africa. It's very interesting to see this. So this now comes with a lot of speculation. Number one, is Floyd planning to announce his resignation from the MK party? Is Floyd planning to leave the MK party? Is Floyd planning to announce another political party? Is Floyd planning to announce his next move? So it is the big day tomorrow. It is the biggest day in terms of the MK party, Floyd Shivambu, and those who are following the MK party and Floyd personally. It is the biggest day because that day is this day that we will know what is the future of Floyd Nico Shivambu in the MK party, because you know that the recent developments have now just changed the entire political landscape of the MK party. What we knew last week, it is not what we know now. There's been some drastic changes in the MK party. The MK party president Jacob Zuma attacking Floyd publicly, and Floyd is just keeping quiet and just disassociating himself with whatsoever drama and just the havoc that is happening all around. Media invitation, press conference addressed by former MK Party Secretary General Keda Floyd Shivambu. Members of the media are invited to attend a press conference to be addressed by the former Secretary of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Keda Floyd Shivambu. The briefing will focus on critical national matters currently confronting South Africa. Press conference details below. Strictly accredited media houses will be permitted to attend the cover the press conference. Media representative and kindly request the RSVP on the provided details on arrive early for set up registration. So this is what Floyd now is planning. It seems like this will be the biggest media briefing that we'll have right on this date. Thursday, 19 June 2025. So it is happening in Mhulu Luxury Botica Hotel 37, Hampton Road, Glen Austin, Midrand, 1865, Gauteng, South Africa. So Floyd will be telling us what is his political future holds, what is next for him. Maybe we'll respond to Jacob Zuma because he says that the truth will set any comrade free. Or maybe we'll talk about what has been transpiring there in the MK party. But this big media briefing will reveal a lot of things from the side of Floyd Nico Shivambu. Maybe we'll respond to Jacob Zuma. Jacob Zuma has now attacked him, has rebuked him, has exposed him rapidly. Maybe Floyd will just respond and speak his side of the truth. So I want us to talk about this Maibuye political party that people are talking about. I don't want to say anything because there's nothing concrete, there's nothing tangible to give as evidence to say that there is exactly such a thing as a planned new political party that will have Floyd as one of its leaders. For now, we can simply say that these are unverified news. These are not truthful news. These are not certainly news that have proof and maybe a source that is credible to say that there is something planned. This post, this post they can give even a propaganda, something that can be lies, right? Maibuye Africa Congress, it's written on the post. The new political party, Floyd Nico Shivambu. The last time we had the political party of the similar name, at least, was in 2018, when Reggie Ngcobo from Natal Midlands, Richmond, was the president. He formed the party called Mazibuye Africa Congress. Mazibuye African Congress. The party was not a success since it failed to take off. Now Reggie Ngcobo is the provincial organizer of the MK party. I am told the new political party of Floyd Shivambu might be called Maibuye African Congress, MAC, but we shall see. So in this post, even the person who posted this or wrote this says that now in this party I am told that it might be. You see, when you say it might be, it means you yourself, you are not sure. So these news are not accurate. I cannot comment on this because there's no source to verify that there is indeed another political party. But let us wait for Floyd. Floyd will give us the direction, will give us the feedback, will update us, will keep us posted on what the future looks like for him in the MK party. We don't know. But please don't forget, you can subscribe to this channel and you can leave a comment on the section here below. Until we meet on the next video, I'm out.